Did your application crash because of the mfc100.dll issue? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm here to help you re-establish those broken links. This DLL file is the Microsoft Foundation class library for Visual Studio 2010. It contains a collection of classes that simplify Windows API programming, allowing developers to create standard desktop windows, dialogues, and menus efficiently. With the why out of the way, let's focus on getting you running again. A clean reinstall of Microsoft Visual C++ is usually all it takes. Visit Microsoft's site, download the Visual C++ redistributables for x86 and x64, and run the installers. If the installer was unable to bridge the gap, we will move to phase 2 of our diagnostic to refresh the system's memory. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including the mfc100, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. To protect your system architecture, I have a few recommendations regarding file authenticity. Avoid the trap of unofficial file repositories for the mfc100 DLL, as these platforms are frequently utilized to distribute persistent browser hijackers and unwanted adware. Rather than managing individual dependencies, a comprehensive diagnostic can help you maintain the entire software environment. A recommended diagnostic path for the mfc100 management is outlined in the software resource linked below. If this diagnostic guide saved you time launching Microsoft Visual C++ today, please show your support by liking the video and subscribing for more expert-level troubleshooting.